Zachary Fruling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI basic programming book called 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 71, so we're getting there. This program is called To the Nearest Penny. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates the TI-99 4A on a modern PC, get into TI Basic from there, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, number 71, To the Nearest Penny. This program is useful when you have a dollar and cents figure with more than 2 decimal places. For example, $151.6972 or $151.6972. You need to transform $151.6972 to the more common $151.70. This small program would make a good subroutine in a larger set of instructions. To do so, insert Go sub at the appropriate place in the larger set of program lines. Modify the line numbers of this small program so the subroutine will be located in an unused position in the larger listing. Change the last line of the small program to return. Delete the first line. Okay, we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to treat it as a standalone program for now. Let's get into Classic 99. Here's the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's get typing. 10, call clear. 20, print, enter a number. Enter a number. And I want to get the punctuation just right here. Okay, no punctuation there. Okay, 30, print to more than 2. To more than 2. 40, input decimal places. And let's see, we have a space there, it looks like. And we are going to call that N for number. 50, print. 60, we'll do a little math here. We're going to type this slow and steady and carefully. 60, R equals INT, or integer, of 100 times N plus 0.5. Okay, and divided by 100. $70, print to the nearest penny, comma, end quote. 80, print. We have a bit of a complicated print line here. Let's go slow and steady. We've got a $sign first. We have semicolon in semicolon. Another quote. Blank is $sign. Okay, end quote. And semicolon R. Let's double check that. Print $sign in is, that looks good. Okay. 90. Print 100, print. And finally, 110 go to 20. Very short program. Make sure we're not missing anything here. Nope, I think that's the end of it. Let's just skim the program real quick, make sure we don't have any syntax errors, math errors, typos, anything like that. At a glance, it looks pretty good. Let's run the program. And so we're going to do the example right from the book first. Doesn't really matter what example, but insofar as we're documenting this book, we're going to use this example from the book, 151.6972. 151.6972. Okay, that gives us 151.70, and of course it just cuts off the 0, 151.7. Let's get a screenshot of that. Okay, let's do another one. I don't know, 96 point, let's do a few decimal places here, because gobbledygook, 456,265. Okay, to the nearest penny, 96.456265 is $96.46. How about, let's do 568.232341. Okay, to the nearest penny, 568.232341 is $568 and 23 cents. $568.23. You can see it rounds down, so it's just following some basic rounding rules there. Well, in any case, this is a very straightforward program. I'm not going to belabor this one, but I will post a link in the video description to the book if you want to check it out, and you can type it into Classic 99 or on an actual TI-99 4A to suit your fancy, so to speak. If you happen to be watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, my Twitch channel, or under my real name, Zachary Fruling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this on Twitch live, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above, and vice versa. If you're watching this on YouTube, please do check out my Twitch channel for live streams and all the above, and you're welcome to chat with me while I'm live streaming if you happen to catch me live on Twitch. In any case, I appreciate the enthusiasm for these TI-99 4A videos. It's my favorite retro computer, so I'm having fun going through this old book, typing in these old type-in programs in TI Basic. I appreciate the enthusiasm. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, follow, and especially subscribe. Subscriptions help me out greatly in these troubling and challenging financial times. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next video, and I'm going to peek ahead real quick at the end here to see the next video. Next program is going to be number 72, Markup, but I'm not going to look at it until I get to the next video. In any case, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.